Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We've heard this very interesting and touching story. After Joseph was sold by his brothers as a slave, as a young slave, now we heard them coming together. Joseph now revealing once more through the words, "I am Joseph, your brother." The seeming story of faction, of division, of not naming once more each other as a friend or a relative, now comes to a close with a story of reconciliation. And it is a good lesson for us that Joseph chose to build, to maintain, and to strengthen the relationship with his brothers rather than inhibiting strenuous and even firm revolution and shall we say an attack to his brothers. At hindi ho ba ganun din na ang isang bagay na nais ipahayagan ni Jesus noong sinugo niya ang kanyang mga alagad as to what we have heard in our gospel today. Proclaiming God's kingdom is not to let or even spread division or breakouts to each other, to cure the sick, to drive out demons, to see and even express ways of ministry is not about breaking, but it is about building. Even with the desire to extend peace. Kapag ang kapayapaan ay ibinigay, ayan ay isang sukatan ng pagbubuo muli ng isang relasyon at ng presensya ng Diyos. It is a good reminder to all of us, my dear brothers and sisters, a good takeaway if my words, if my actions, if my relations, if my decisions are really for breaking or for building. Kapag ako ba ay nakaharap sa isang tao, may sinabi, pag-isipan po natin yung dalawang bagay na ito. Ikabubuo ba ito o ikasisira ba ito? Kapag kami magandang intensyon na ibahagi ang sarili, magbigay ng ating tulong, and hopefully that will be tantamount to our desire to build rather than break. My dear brothers and sisters, let this be a beautiful mindset to all of us, to build rather than break. A lot of opportunities are there to exhaust and even increase tensions, factions, and divisions. But then our ministry of presence, our love, and our experience of peace may be there to build relations, to strengthen relations, rather than breaking it, and most of all, sinking relations and faith even to the very lowest of it.